Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I'm going to teach you all about adverb. You will learn what is an adverb, what are the types of adverb and how to use adverb correctly. So to start, let me ask you a question. What is an adverb? So guys, some people say adverb are like adjective. You know what are adjective? Like good, bad, tall, short, etc. Because they give information about noun, so people say that adverb gives information about noun, and that is correct. It also give information about adjective and about another adverb. So we can say that adverb are very talented because they give information about noun, adjective, about another adverb, and sometimes about the whole sentence. So adverb are all around us, like slowly, unfortunately, enough, always, very, tomorrow, however, so on and so many. I'm sure you use adverb all the time, but why you use them? Well, we use adverb because they answer some important question about our sentence, and question like why, when, where, how much, and how often. So guys, we can say that an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Here I'll give you one example. Hira is very pretty girl. In this sentence, the word very is adverb. Now guys, we will discuss about the kinds of adverb. So let's begin with the very first kind, and that is adverb of time. Students, they show time and period, like yesterday, tomorrow, recently, already, till, etc. Here I have written a couple of examples. Move to very first example. That day you arrived late. In this sentence, the word late is adverb of time. Second example is never waste your time. The word never is adverb of time because it's show the time and period. Now guys, move to second kind of adverb, and that is adverb of place. They show place of any occurrence, like here, there, upstairs, nearby, somewhere, and so on. Now move to first example. The thirsty crow searched for water everywhere. In this sentence, the word everywhere is adverb of place. Second example is going outside, I picked up my phone. In this sentence, the word outside is adverb of place because they show the place of any occurrence. Now guys, we will talk about the third kind of adverb, and that is adverb of manner. So guys, they show manner of any occurrence, like loudly, well, badly, quietly, etc. Look at the example. She sings so sweetly. In this sentence, the word so sweetly is adverb of manner because it shows that how the work has done. Second sentence is he faced the challenge bravely. In this sentence, the word bravely is adverb of manner. So students, keep one thing more in your mind. Adverb of manner are generally placed after the verb or after the object. Like you can see in this sentence, I have written here adverb after the verb. Now look at the second example. You can see the word challenge is object, and I have written adverb of manner after the object. Now guys, we will talk about the fourth kind of adverb, and that is adverb of degree. They show how much or in what degree of to what extent something has happened. Move to example. You are altogether mistaken. In this sentence, the word altogether is adverb of degree. Second example is it is enough for me. In this sentence, the word enough is adverb of degree because these words show that to what extent something has happened. Now guys, move to fifth kind of adverb, and that is adverb of affirmative, affirmation, or negation. So students, they affirm or negate something. Now move to example. Surely I'll help you. In this sentence, the word surely is adverb of affirmation. Second is, he did not give any answer. In this sentence, the word not is adverb of negation. So students, we can say that these words affirm or negate something in the sentence. Now guys, move to sixth kind of adverb, and that is adverb of cause or reason. They show cause or reason of any occurrence. Move to example. The first example is, thou I am unaware of this matter. In this sentence, the word thou is adverb of cause or reason. Second example is, I am ill, so I am not going to the party. So in this sentence, the word so is adverb of cause or reason. Now guys, move to next kind of adverb, and that is adverb of comparison. They denote degree of adverb like the adjective. Move to example. Ali came earliest of all. In this sentence, the word earliest is adverb of comparison. Next is, she writes well. In this sentence, the word well is adverb of comparison. So guys, some adverb have 3 degrees of comparison. Such adverb are generally compared like adjectives, like positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So positive degree is softly, and the comparative degree is more softly, and superlative degree is most softly. Now guys, we will discuss about the 8th kind of adverb, and that is adverb of number or frequency. They show number or frequency like always, usually, often, never, sometimes, etc. Move to example. Sometimes I take butter in breakfast. In this sentence, the word sometime is adverb of number or frequency. Second example is, explain it firstly. In this sentence, the word firstly is adverb of number or frequency. Now guys, we will talk about 9th kind of adverb, and that is interrogative adverb. They are used to ask question like where, how, why. Move to example. Where is it raining? In this sentence, the word where is interrogative adverb. Second is, how do you do, Amina? In this sentence, the word how is interrogative adverb. So we can say that they are used to ask question in the sentences. Now we will discuss about the last kind of adverb, and that is relative adverb. They are used to join 2 sentences. Move to example. Is it why dad you rejected my proposal? In this sentence, the word why is relative adverb. And now move to second example. Why is the place where you hid that ring? Was it the place where you hid that ring? In this sentence, the word where is relative adverb because they join the sentences. So you can see in this sentence, why it the place, was it the place, it's the first part of the sentence. Here I have written relative adverb, and after the relative adverb I have written the second part of the sentence, you hid that ring. Now guys, I'll give you an important tip about adverb that end with ly. When you say adverb, mostly people think the word like loudly, slowly, quickly, happily, sadly, etc. So it is easy to think that all adverb end with ly, but this is not true. There are a lot of adverb that don't end with ly, like here, there, still, well, somewhere, sometimes, quite, often, never, and so on. So there are many adjectives that have this ending, like friendly and lovely. If I'll give you one example here, what a lovely bouquet. Bouquet is bunch of flower. So these are adjectives, not adverb. So guys, don't say all adverb end with ly, because there are many other adverb which I have given you example, like never, still, often, sometimes, etc. They are also called adverb. So guys, let's have a quick recap of today's video. In today's video, I'll tell you what is an adverb and how many types of adverb and how to use adverb in correct way. I hope your concept regarding adverb and its kind will be cleared after watching my today's video. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.